Hi, welcome to the video. I'm Stu Sterling, internet marketer and coach over here in Japan. Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you how to do chapters on your YouTube video. So here's one of my videos where I've added chapters to it. As you can see, I've got introduction, best features, pricing, demo, blah blah blah. It's broken up into chapters. Now you want to do this because, let's go have a look. I asked the question, do YouTube chapters do anything? And this was quite surprising. First of all, it helps the viewer find the part of the video that they might be interested in. But another great benefit is YouTube chapter markers are also visible on Google search when using a mobile device. Alright, but it's actually looks like it's visible on a desktop device as well. Okay, so I've actually found videos this way before. I found specific how-to bits inside a YouTube video thanks to these chapter markers. So there's really good reason to do this to your videos. So this is how you do it. It's really simple. Okay, these are what you got to do. You've got to add time marks in. So I did this manually. Apparently, if you've got like Adobe Premiere software, you can do it inside that. But basically, you just add the timestamps in your description here. Okay, you put the minute and the seconds, and then a description about what is in that chapter. And it turns out and looks like this. Okay, it's as easy as that. It'll take you like 2 minutes to do. You've got to kind of go through your video to find out exactly when each section starts, so it can be a little bit time consuming that way. Alright, so I hope that was helpful to you. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you want more little tips like this to help you with your YouTube channel or your internet business and so on. Alright, so I'm Stuart Sterling. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.